Page 33. The Storm of the Century. More than 100 years later, in March 1993, another gigantic winter storm slammed into the East Coast. It dumped snow on a larger area than any other storm in recorded history. Nearly half of the U.S. population was affected. Snow fell from Canada down to Florida. The storm resulted in 310 deaths and between 6 billion and 10 billion in damage. Unlike many winter storms, this one had winds as strong as a hurricane's. Oops, we're going to look at this picture. I see a photograph here of a guy, a car. Looks like he's trying to get ice or snow off his car. And the caption says, "A New York City resident digs her car out of the snow during the winter of 1993. Page 34. Let's look at the page number, 34. Polar vortex. Poised above each of Earth's poles is a polar vortex. These cyclones high in the atmosphere contain very cold air. Air currents crossing North America and Eurasia sometimes break up the North Pole vortex. This can push brutally cold air south. When this happened in March 2013, temperatures in parts of Europe were more than 18 degrees Fahrenheit or 10 degrees Celsius below average. The following January, a weakened polar vortex sent North American temperatures plummeting about 35 degrees Fahrenheit or 20 degrees Celsius below average. Here's a photograph. Icicles from along a Lake Michigan beach in Chicago, Illinois, during frigid temperatures related to the polar vortex in 2014. So it's pointing at these icicles here. On a beach. All right, page 35. Here's a photograph. Severe winds cause an average of 51 deaths each year in the United States. Wind chill. The wind chill factor combines air temperature with wind speed to predict how cold it feels outside. As wind speed increases, it takes heat away from your body. This makes you feel colder. If the outside air temperature is 15 degrees Fahrenheit or -9 degrees Celsius, and there is no wind, you will feel as though it is just that temperature. But if the wind picks up to 20 miles per hour or 32 kilometers per hour, it will feel like -2 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the same as -19 degrees Celsius. Page 36, last page for today. Photograph. A winter storm makes travel difficult and dangerous for pedestrians and people in vehicles. Winter storm dangers. Heavy snow and ice can cause trees to fall and buildings to collapse. If power lines come down, homes can be without heat or electricity for days. When people go outside during or after a winter storm without proper clothing, they risk frostbite or hypothermia. Icy streets can result in car accidents or injuries from falls. Even clearing snow away is dangerous. Many people die of heart attacks brought on by the hard work of shoveling snow.